Hello, this is Version V Studio. You can support us and get full resolution artwork in this video. Have a nice day and enjoy the video. Today, let's dive to the next part of Mecha design story and enjoy the journey. In this section, the first tool we need to know is how to design a joint to connect the components together. And another tool is creating the pipe form 3D shape also. With the neck design, the most priority element that we need to care is flexibility. The key feature to make a high flexibility design is, first, splitting the armor into many parts, second, add more joints to connect the parts together so they can move between different parts. You can have an overview of the way of how the neck will move. Following the basic shape of the initial ideas, a quick sketch was drawn to have support for the future sketch. When having draft design, we can develop the detailed sketch on it. With the method to draw the empty tube/pipe/wall, we draw the parallel line to describe the internal wall of the design. We can also combine internal walls to make a more complex structure. This is very typical design of cooling pipe/cooling system. For having cooling system, we need some components to support it, and these structures are also the moving components for neck movements. Now the cooling detail and the support base combine together to create the bottom of the neck. This type of structure will help the component stable. The upper section of the neck will be formed from many pieces of armor that will support its movement. Now when the sketch was completed, let's dive in the detail line art and coloring.